everybody. Yes, that's right, happy holidays, because you know what? Not everybody celebrates Christmas, and that is fine. We want to be as inclusive as possible here. Now, you may notice under our tree, all of the human presents are gone. We are just left with the presents for the birds. So we thought we would do a very small video for you guys of our guys opening up their presents and seeing their reactions, because to be honest, I doubt they'll know what any of them are, but I'm sure you guys will know. Let's get to it. Hello? Rita, what's this? What's this? Anna? Good girl! What's this? What did Corliss get? Wow, Rita! You know it? Oh, is this? Can it help? Almost. Gonna pull it out. Come on. Wow, Rita! No. Scary. What is this? Now that the macaws have opened all their gifts, bye Mary, thank you. We've swapped birds. What's this? You like paper? It's like, nope. Back up. That's not what we unwrapped today. Paper. Now Mary's a little scared of the present, so she's just going to hang up on top of the ring light for the opening. Back was helping though. For your room. Thank you very much for the present from our extended family in a way, Hannah and Ross. In case you guys missed what the birds got, well, everybody got a TV! So yeah, that's gonna be awesome because when we're out the house we can now put kids shows on for them. Everybody also got a little voucher for something. The little guys and the Mary all got a voucher for a massive aviary. That's right. These guys will be getting an aviary very soon, and we'll do a video on that for you as well. So we cannot wait for that. Santa's told them that due to the elves working overtime, there is a delay in this, so they should have it by mid-January. Who knows when these pesky elves will deliver it to us. And then the girls both got a £20 voucher for Scarlett's Parrot Essentials. Now, Scarlett's Parrot Essentials is just a toy store that we enjoy using. On top of that, the girls also got a massive Arcadia light. These lights are really good for birds that don't get out as often, and because we have to stay in during winter, we thought asking Santa for an Arcadia light for the bird room would be an amazing idea. So that's for the girls, and the little guys have a smaller one upstairs already. In case any of you guys are wondering what this is and what this hoodie is, well, actually, for those of you that don't know, Nash and I, Nash who's behind the camera, both do parrot training. So this is kind of our logo, and we're we're beginning to get some clothing with it all, and it's very exciting. If you didn't know that we did parrot training and you want to check it all out, just head over to our website. I'll leave a link right in the description. But for now, we are going to get going because, well, we have a lot of setting up to do for these guys, and we need to await the aviary coming from Santa. But I hope that you guys have had a wonderful holiday season. Whether you celebrate Christmas or not, we really hope you've had the best time possible, and we will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!